and welcome to my channel Things Made Easy. In today's episode we are learning what affects the rate of reaction. Please follow me on my Instagram bins_Kevin. What affects the rate of reaction? Temperature, pressure, but only for gas, surface area, concentration, and enzymes. Before we can understand how these factors affect the rate of reaction, we need to know the theory, which is collision theory. Collision theory states that for particles to react, they must collide with each other with sufficient energy. This sufficient energy is called activation energy. If they collide with less energy, they won't react. When you think about how these 5 factors affect the rate of reaction, you always want to think about how they affect the amount of energy particles have, which is the activation energy, and the frequency of collisions, how many times the particles have collided. Temperature. As the temperature of a reaction increases, it means particles gain more energy, which means particles move faster. This means they collide more frequently. It also collides with more energy each time, therefore more likely to exceed activation energy. So overall, there will be a higher rate of successful collisions and thus a higher rate of reaction. Pressure, which is for gases, and concentration, which is for liquids. They are how many particles there are per unit of volume. When this is increased, it means there are more particles per unit of volume, which makes the collisions more frequent. This therefore increases the rate of reaction. This increases the rate of reaction because, for example, if we want to add sugar to our cup of tea, we can add sugar cubes or sugar granules, both the same mass and volume. However, the sugar granules will have the highest surface area to volume ratio, so will have a much higher area over which collisions with the other reactants, coffee, can take place, meaning the frequency of collisions will be higher, leading to a higher rate of reaction. Catalysts. Catalysts are substances that speed up a reaction without being used up in the reaction themselves. How they work. Catalysts. They work by reducing the activation energy by providing an alternative reaction pathway. This means there will be a higher proportion of successful collisions. And subscribe. And that's it for today. And if you have any other topics I should do, please comment below. Other than that, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.